During my recovery, I started journaling. I've never written a journal before, but I found that I needed to write things down because while I was healing and my brain was rewiring itself, I couldn't distract myself by being busy or by focusing on other things as I was confined to a hospital bed because I couldn't walk. I had a diaper and a catheter, and as I could do very little else but lay there and heal. One of the things I wrote in my journal was about the day I woke up. In my journal, I wrote the following. The date is Friday, December 2nd, 2022, and I wake up in a familiar room in the London Health Science Centre. I don't think anything unusual about the experience. The location and room seem very familiar. On this day, after looking around the room, I notice the room contains all of my sisters, my brother-in-laws, my sister-in-law, my friend Donna, my wife, and my daughter. Everyone in this room seems genuinely happy to see me. I'm awake, lucid, and I too am happy to see everyone. The thing with what I wrote and described is that after speaking to several people, this event never actually happened. Yet at the time I wrote this, this was the memory I had. The memory of this event was so real to me that I actually asked my wife if I had been awoken from an induced coma, because I had virtually no memories for the 3 weeks prior to this moment, when everyone was there to see me. I remember my wife's response when I asked her if this was when I was awakened. She said, "No, you were awake the whole time." So what I have discovered is that for the first 3 weeks after my aneurysm burst, I was without any short-term memory. So I did not retain any of the events that occurred as a normal memory. When my short-term memory started coming back, my mind was flooded with some memories that were stored and all coalesced as a single event. Yes, all the people I described in my journal who were there to see me had been there to see me at some point during the 3 weeks prior to this date. Yet the memories of these visits were stored in my healing brain as a single event. Another thing that occurred shortly after this is that I saw two of my sisters. These two sisters, although they are different ages, they share a birthday on the same day in November. I remember wishing them a happy belated birthday when I saw them in December, but they said to me, "You already wished us a happy birthday on our birthday." So my wife was correct. I was not awakened from an induced coma, and I was in fact awake the whole time, even if I don't remember the 3 weeks since my aneurysm burst.